Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be discussing the independent practice solutions to the Working with Integers lesson. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as necessary to help you understand the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice number 1. Use a number line to compare the two integers. Part A, -2 and 0. Part B, 1 and -1. Now is a good time to pause this video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. Let's start with part A. We are comparing -2 and 0. The first thing we need to do is draw a number line. Then we can graph the 2 points on the number line. Once we've graphed the points, we can see that -2 is to the left of 0 on the number line. This tells us that -2 is less than 0. Now for part B, we need to compare the numbers 1 and -1. Once again, we need a number line, and we need to graph the points. We can see that 1 is to the right of -1, so this tells us that 1 is greater than -1. Independent practice number 2. Write the integers in order from greatest to least. The integers you will be using are -4, 2, 3, -1, and -2. Now is a good time to pause this video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. The best way to solve this problem is to once again use a number line. Then we can graph the points on the number line, and you will see that -4 is the farthest to the left, while the number 3 is the farthest to the right. To write the integers in order from greatest to least, we need to start on the right side of the number line and work our way left, writing each integer in the list as it appears. So we find that in order from greatest to least, we have the integers 3, 2, -1, -2, and -4. Independent practice problem number 3. The table below lists the average daily high temperature in Toronto, Ontario by month. Part A. Place the following months in order by increasing average temperature: February, July, and September. Part B. Which months have an average daily temperature that is warmer than the average daily temperature in May, which is 18 degrees Celsius? Now is a good time to pause this video and work on these problems if you have not done so already. Let's start with part A. We should start by writing down the average daily temperature for each of the months. In February, the average temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. In July, the average temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. And in September, the average temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Now we need to put these in order by increasing average daily temperature. Increasing means we should start with the lowest number and work our way up to the highest number. So the order is February, September, and then July. Now let's take a look at part B. Which months have an average daily temperature that is warmer than the average daily temperature in May, which is 18 degrees Celsius? In this case, we are looking for any temperatures that are greater than 18. If we look, there are 4 months that have an average temperature that is greater than 18 degrees Celsius. So the average days in June, July, August, and September are all warmer than the average days in May. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.